So if you have issues with your radiator in your central heating system, this video is for you. Even though I started my boiler, my central heating, the radiator were not working and it was turned to the maximum, the thermostatic valve to be open, and it was not giving any kind of heat. So the heat should be actually coming from another radiator which has been joined to that radiator, and I have verified that with a thermo camera, and there was no heat circulating through the radiator itself. Since you are dependent from the thermostatic valve, and that is adjusting your heat demand in the radiator, then it might get stuck inside the small metal nut which is adjusting. As you hear, it just popped up from him itself. But if it's not doing that automatically, you could use some tools to get it out. And that's it. Then after that it will work. It's so simple. It is still worth to stay with me for a few more seconds, because I will show you how can you release that without removing the thermostatic valve if you have a very similar thermostatic valve as me. So with a simple screwdriver, if you can reach out to that nut, just try to push it a bit, and then it will pop up automatically. If this video helped you to solve your problem, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because you can help me as well with that. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.